Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? She got home cooked meals, turn up the heat. A little bit of dessert, it won't hurt. Let's get the cooking with Nana the expert.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making an immune booster drink. And also I'm going to be giving you a review on the Drew Barrymore beautiful blender. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 large carrots, 2 small limes, a nice sized chunk of ginger, and 2 cups of water. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and cut our carrots, and I'm going to juice the limes and also cut our ginger into pieces. Okay guys, I cut my carrots and I also cut my ginger into chunks, and I juiced my 2 limes. Now the benefits of this juice, it boosts your immune system. You'll have glowing skin, you have better eyesight, it's anti-inflammatory, it decreases the risk of cancer and heart disease, and it's packed with antioxidants and nutrients. It's great for your skin and your eyes. So to my blender, I'm just going to add a little bit of water. And I'm going to begin to add in my carrots. Now I'm going to add in my ginger, my lime juice, and some more water. Guys, I'm going to change that from 2 cups of water to 3. We're going to add 1 more. And you just want to go ahead and put your lid over top and blend your carrots, ginger, water, and lime juice. You want to blend your mixture for 2 minutes. Okay guys, next you want to get a bowl and you want to put a sieve over top, and we're just going to pour our juice through. You just press it down until all the juice goes into your bowl. This is what your juice looks like after you passed it through a sieve. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our carrots, ginger, lime, immune boost juice. So guys, I want to give a review on the Drew Barrymore blender. I'm very satisfied with it. I have a Hamilton Beach and it does not compare to this. So yes, this is worth buying. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.